there, George here. Today I'm gonna repot this lemon tree. Well, you can see this small pot and I have to repot. As you can see, was grow and I already need a big pot, so I chose this pot. Well, and will grow nice in this pot. Well, and this lemon tree I received from Romania. One friend sent me in 2018 and now let's just repot it. Well, so let's do it. Before I use it to put stones on the bottom of a pot to have very good drainage, but now I decided not to put because you can see this pot, for example, it have many holes, so I will not put anymore. So let's just put ground there, something like that, and this is universal potting soil. I mixed it with sand and added a little compost, so it is very good. Now we have to put the soil. Let's do that. Look at the potting soil, very good, yes? And now I have to remove the lemon tree from the pot. Let's do it. So this lemon tree is ready to repot in this big container. Let's do that. I'm finished with that. Now we have to water it with room temperature water and not directly from the tap. Let's do that. Well done, I finished. Now I wait for new growth and blooms in the future. So we will see, I will update you, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end and have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. See you next time. Bye bye.